All right, guys. So number three, how to tell if it's urgent or not. So anytime your check engine light turns on, it's something you absolutely need to have looked at. Okay. So if you ever see your check engine light flashing at you, it is critical that you get to a shop immediately. Okay. So a flashing check engine light, actually, according to like the manufacturer terms, is catastrophic failure. So that could really harm your engine. Okay. So if your check engine light is flashing, typically, most likely, your car is going to be driving really, really bad. So if you see a flashing check engine light, pull over immediately and just get it towed. The other way to know if it's serious or not is if your car is driving any differently. If you're hearing any kind of noise, it's probably serious at that point, that you want to get it checked out by a technician, a shop, or whoever you trust. And honestly, if that light is ever on, it's just go get it looked at. It's important no matter what. I mean, the most common reason the light is on is because of a gas cap or an airbox, right? However, the peace of mind behind it is just go get it looked at, go get it checked out, and get your issue resolved. Um,